We've been making culinary knives in Thiers, France since 2018. This year, they're getting a modern asymmetric upgrade in the form of a proprietary blade technology that holds a sharper edge for longer. Meet Asymmetrical Bevel Tech, or ABT. It's a revolutionary edge geometry that sharpens the knife at a 14-degree angle on one side and a 4-degree polish on the other. This asymmetry allows the blade to glide through ingredients with minimal resistance, offering twice the sharpness and smoother, more controlled cuts. Most knives dull unevenly and require constant maintenance. Not this one. The ABT edge holds its sharpness for longer than traditional double bevels, and a few light strokes on the back with a honing rod are all it takes to bring it back to full power. It's fully forged from high-carbon stainless steel, giving it the perfect balance of durability and precision. A knife this powerful needs a handle that feels like a natural extension of your hand, and whether you're breaking down poultry or finely mincing herbs, you'll feel confident and in control. This is the knife you'll reach for day in and day out. It's precision you can feel. With ABT technology, full-tang forged construction, and unmatched comfort, this knife is built to perform and built to last.